This tutorial demonstrates how to create and assign a new practical activity assignment within TeachSmart AI Academy. You will learn to generate an assignment idea, customize its details, link it to a course, assign it to students, and verify the assignment from a student's perspective. Before starting, ensure you have access to the instructor account and the relevant course information. Click Assignment Ideas to open the section where you can explore and create new assignment concepts for your course. Click Generate New Assignment Idea to start creating a fresh assignment tailored to your course needs. Click Assignment Title to specify the name of your new assignment. Fill in the assignment title field with a descriptive name that reflects the task, such as Assignment for Guide YouTube Creation Channel Course. Click Practical Activity to categorize the assignment type as a hands-on task for students. Click Subject to select the relevant academic subject for the assignment. Fill in the subject field with the course topic, for example, digital marketing, to align the assignment with the curriculum. Click Grade Level to define the educational level appropriate for this assignment. Fill in the grade level with the specific student year, such as Bachelor, Year 2, to target the correct audience. Click Duration to set the expected time frame students have to complete the assignment. Fill in the duration field with the time allotted, for example, 2 weeks, to give students a clear deadline. Click Description, Optional, to add additional details that explain the assignment's purpose and expectations. Fill in the description with information like this assignment will test students' ability to conduct research and present it to the class to clarify objectives. Click From Course to link the assignment to an existing course in your system. Click Search Courses to find the course you want to associate with this assignment. Fill in the search field with keywords, such as U, to locate the desired course quickly. Select the course titled Comprehensive Guide to Setting Up a Successful YouTube Channel to select it as the source for the assignment. Click Generate Assignment Idea to specify the language for the assignment content. Click English to confirm the language selection for the assignment. Click Generate New Assignment Idea to create the assignment based on the provided details and selections. Click View to review the generated assignment idea and ensure it meets your requirements. Click Edit to make any necessary changes to the assignment details before finalizing. Click Title to modify the assignment's name if needed for clarity or accuracy. Click Content to update or refine the assignment instructions and materials. Click Preview to see how the assignment will appear to students before publishing. Click Cancel to exit the preview mode and return to editing if further adjustments are needed. Click Close button to exit and to proceed with additional options or navigation within the platform. Click Edit again to continue refining the assignment content or settings. Click Content to access the detailed assignment instructions for further editing. Click the Close button to exit the Edit Assignment modal window. Click Assign to Students to begin the process of distributing the assignment to your learners. Click Search Students by name or email to find specific students to assign the task to. Fill in the search field with part of a student's name or email, such as YAM, to locate them quickly. Click the student Yama Sisayamingari07@gmail.com to select them for assignment distribution. Click Due Date, Optional, to set a deadline for the assignment submission. Fill in the due date field with the desired deadline, for example, the 30th of November 2025 T3:47, to specify when the assignment is due. Click Assignment Settings to review and adjust any final parameters before assigning. Click Assign to officially distribute the assignment to the selected students. Click Log Out to sign out of the instructor account after completing the assignment setup. Click here to navigate to the login page or another relevant section after logout. Fill in the email field with your student email address to sign in as a learner. Click the password field to prepare for entering your student account password. Click Sign in as student to log into the platform with student credentials. Click Assignments to view all tasks assigned to you as a student. Click View Assignment to open the details of the specific assignment you need to complete. Click Close button to exit the assignment view modal. You have successfully created and assigned a new practical activity assignment for the digital marketing course at the Bachelor Year 2 level. The assignment includes a clear title, description, duration, and due date, and has been assigned to the selected student. You also verified the assignment from the student's perspective to ensure proper access and visibility. Next, you can monitor student submissions and provide feedback through the platform.